I was at a stage in my life where I wasn't very well. I suffered with severe panic attacks, depression. I just didn't know where to go until a leaflet came through the door advertising adult learning. It was absolutely pouring down with rain, very, very cold. I had a cold, but I got dressed and walked up to the college.
And she said, I just want to let you know, I suffer from panic attacks and sometimes I cannot leave the house. So I'll prepare you that I might not be there in every session. So that said and done, I don't think she missed one session.
The staff were brilliant. They understood what pace I could go on due to my panic attacks. I went on then to do a campaign to save for fields for housing development. Along with my husband and some groups within the community, we advertised a fun day event and we had 150 children turn up. We got the Echo involved, we got the HTV studios involved, and then it took us 2 years. And I think the council had had enough of us by then and they knew we weren't going to go away and they let us have the fields.
I think she has raised aspirations in adults and children tremendously for the community.
If I hadn't gone to college and hadn't learned everything I learned with computers and everything, I've never been able to save that field because I wouldn't have known how to do a letter. And plus, I'd just still been locked up in my house, you know, all for a simple leaflet coming through my door.
Congratulations, Lynda, on winning this award. I think you thoroughly deserve it. I have been lucky to follow your journey from first signing up for a course to the inspirational woman you are now. So good luck for the future. All the best. Well done.
It's really nice because they've obviously seen the me at the beginning and now they've seen the new me and what adult learning has done and for my confidence and for me. Okay.